Drip, I came out of faucet. When they put my bro in the chain gang, I almost lost it. So much jealousy and envy, gotta be cautious.
Hey guys, welcome to my video. This is basically the whole experience of me dyeing my hair from beginning to end. It was the struggle, but that is primarily the reason why I want you guys to see it, because I want you guys to know what mistakes to avoid coming into, and I just hope to inspire somebody to cut and dye their hair and step out of their comfort zone and do what it takes to achieve their given goal, their given appearance, and how you want yourself to look. So just continue to keep watching, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. We're dyeing our hair blonde. It comes with gloves. I never dyed my whole hair before. I've always been like I'm only dyeing my ends type of girl, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going full on. My music wasn't popping because you know how I do. What's up with all the old songs? Like, y'all gonna make me put on some Gunna. So yeah, this, can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all see that? The little tip thing. That's what you cut. Okay? Not the whole thing, just the little, and then you twist old boy off, you feel me? And then, yeah. It's real deal, y'all.
I made some M's when I surrounded myself with bosses. Had too many flaws, I got my rollers flooded with flawless. Had too much drip, I had to invest into a closet. When I poked that 12 inside of a 2, I felt nauseous. If I pop another Tesla pill, I'm the closet. I pulled out the ladder, but got my roof, thought I lost it. Ain't did no hate me come my way, think I dodged it.
Okay, guys. It's starting to do its thing. I'm crazy, so I'll be letting this sit for like 45 minutes, even though it says 25. It's because I have stubborn hair. Like, no matter what I do, it won't take to the colors that I put in my hair. And I refuse to, like, go get BW and all. Is it 10W BW? I don't know. But I ain't playing with that. I'm not playing with that. I will stick to this little semi mediocre joker, because it worked just as good, baby, just as good. But yeah, I'm going to come back in like 45 minutes. So it didn't exactly turn out how I imagined it, so I decided I was just going to re-dye it. There's a bit of patchiness and it didn't dye evenly, and that's just a no-go for me. So I'm not patient at all. So I went to the beauty supply store to get ginger blonde. You guys don't have to watch me do this whole process over again. I'm pretty sure you get the gist of it. It's just different stuff going in the same. There's a little foil cap. I'm pretty sure you could just this kind of stuff. If it gets on your leg, it will dye your leg hair. So I'm just gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna start applying it, and I will be back to show y'all what it looks like before. It's been a rough night. So, after I put in the ginger blonde from the Cream of Nature, it started to look really good, like while the dye was in, and it got to the blonde that I wanted it to be, and then I washed it out, and then it was like yellow, like a Goldilocks yellow. So I put the toner back in. I played myself, y'all. All this time, I thought, don't mind that. That's nail polish. I thought I had the Shimmer Lights bottle, but this is Studio 35 Beauty. Now, I don't know if this is like the off-brand Shimmer Lights, but I've been having to finesse this toner for years, okay? Like, it never works the way it says it does. You're supposed to keep it in for 3 to 5 minutes. This was in my hair for hours, and it took off a little bit of the brightness, but it didn't get me exactly where I wanted. So this time, after I put the ginger blonde in, I left this on overnight. It's still in my head, and it's 10 something right now, and I got somewhere to be, okay? 60-cent pancakes today. I'm not missing that, okay? But so I'm about to go shower and wash this out. I'll come back and show you the color, and hopefully, fingers crossed, dear Lord, it'll be the blonde that I want. So this is the color that I ended up with. It's more of a, it's still too brassy, to be honest with you. So I wasn't really feeling that. I tried to style it for my date and whatnot, but I was still going to tone it. And I'm about to expose myself, y'all. Just run this back real quick. Y'all remember way back when I said, I refused to, like, go get BW and all. Is it 10W BW? I don't know, but I ain't playing with that. I'm not playing with that. My how the tables are turning. I'm telling you, I've been wringing the heck out of this, but it's just not getting me where I want to be. So I gotta put my big girl pants on and see what that developer 20 do in color charm. This was $1.99 at Sally's, and this was $6.99 or $6.49. It says here to mix 1 part Wella Color Charm toning color with 2 parts 20 Wella Color Charm developer. So that's what we're gonna do. Wish me luck. I'm gonna keep it on till it starts turning really purple, which is supposed to be like, I've seen 15 minutes, but y'all know my hair is stubborn, so we might have to leave it on longer than that, but I will come back and I will let you know. Okay, so update. I have toned my hair. I used the 20 cream developer and the T11 Wella toner, and it has taken the brassiness out of my blonde. As you can see, my failed attempt at finger waving. TWA lifestyle is not easy, okay? These girls out here that you see rocking these TWAs, they're wizards, okay? The artistry of the finger wave and the S curl, it takes some finesse. I'm glad I cut it though. The haircut, I'm okay with it. I'm mad he lined me up right here because I can't finesse my baby hairs, but you know, he made it even all the way around. The color, I think I'm here for it. I don't know. I want to go a little bit ashier, but I'm gonna give my hair a break right now. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my 2-part video. If you hadn't seen the first one, go ahead and check that out. Me cutting my hair. Yeah, so just stay tuned. Definitely gonna bring some more content for you guys, and we'll see where this goes.